This is a do-it-yourself pump seal or stuffer. I'll be using Flex Seal to seal the cavities in this R&D intake or front loader. You can order pump seals kits that insert into these cavities to keep cavitation from happening, and I ordered one but it didn't arrive in time to get this put back on. So we're going to be doing a do-it-yourself. I'm going to be using Flex Seal, the clear version, and this is going on a 2016 SeaDoo Spark. Okay, we're going to use a small bullet level to check how level we are to make this self-level with our Flex Seal. So as long as we get this level, or roughly level, as we get to the top, it'll self-level across, and we'll just let it sit that way until it cures. So we clamped it to the table, we've leveled it, and now we're going to pour into the two cavities, and here we go. First chamber is full and starting to pour over to the next. I don't see any bubbles in this, so I don't need to try to get those out. They're very fine, the ones that are. If you don't want bubbles, just make a thinner stream and the bubbles should pop before they enter. We're not worried about that. So now both the chambers are full and we're starting to level across both. And everything looks like it's I'm going to stop there, give it a few moments, see if anything settles out anymore. We're going to let this set and cure. It may take a couple days for it to really cure up, but the outer layer will still be strong enough to take the installation, and we won't be using it for another couple days after that. So we'll test it out the weekend. Now this is your do-it-yourself plug. Actually, it looks good. Okay, it's been about 18 hours, and we do have a really thick layer. If I press pretty hard, you can see it's still moving. And it takes a little bit of time to let these things cure up, but they will get hard pretty fast over the next 24 to 48 hours. Alright, we're at 36 hours. We are solid up to the front, so hopefully there's just a little bit of curing in the core, and that should take care of the next couple days. Do it yourself seal kit.